If you've just been using avocado as a spread for your toast or a topping on your salad, well then you have been missing out on the myriad of ways this superfood can be used as a healthy substitute in your cooking and in your baking. Today, I'm going to tell you how, and I'm going to show you why you're going to want to do just that. Come with me. Hey, I'm Marianne. On this video, we discuss how you can make simple substitutions to your diet and your lifestyle that are not complicated or rigid or expensive. People get bogged down with a lot of information and they think it's hard and tricky, and we're trying to demonstrate that it really isn't hard. It's just one step at a time and making simple changes, and that's what the Healthy Exchange is really all about. So let's get started on avocados. So if you're a fan of avocado and you want to learn to lighten up some of your meals, here are 5 ways you can use avocado as a substitute in your cooking and in your baking. First is butter. You can go beyond using avocado in place of butter on your toast. You can also use avocado in your baking. Its high content makes it a great substitute for your baking recipes. Second is mayo. Instead of using mayonnaise in dishes such as sandwiches or egg salads, you can use avocado instead. It still helps bind the ingredients together, but it also provides a creamy and smooth consistency. The third option is cream in sauces. Avocado makes a great dairy substitute in sauces. Whether it's for pasta, tacos, meat dishes, you can use it as a replacement for heavy cream, sour cream, or cheese, and you can make the consistency more even by blending it with the rest of your ingredients. Your fourth option is dressing. The healthy fats in avocado make it a great dressing base. Whether it's a substitute for cream, mayo, cheese, or any other type of oil, mix avocado with herbs, vinegar, and spices, and you can make a dressing that's filled with nutrients instead of saturated fat. And lastly, you can use avocado in your smoothies. You can either use it as your milk substitute or you can use it as your banana substitute. Avocados are heart-healthy fruit. They provide naturally good fats. They're low in saturated fat and cholesterol, sugar, and sodium-free. One serving has 6 grams of good fats and nearly 20 vitamins and minerals. All right, so now that you have just a little bit of an understanding of some of the many health benefits of this nutritious fruit, we're gonna put it into practice. And there's no better way to put this healthy, nutritious fruit into practice than to putting it in a nutritious, delicious sweet treat. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make a chocolate avocado mousse. It's super simple and it's super delicious. The key to this wonderful chocolate avocado mousse are the perfectly ripe avocados that you're going to choose for it. If they're not ripe enough, it'll be like blending rocks. If they're too ripe, it won't taste good. So be sure that you test and check your avocados. Make sure that they're not too soft and they're not too hard, and you will have a great tasty treat. Now that you know the secret to a great tasting chocolate avocado mousse, and that's the ripeness of your avocado, let's go ahead and get started on this recipe. You're just going to need 6 ingredients, which I will walk you through, and you're going to need a little bit of equipment. The equipment that I'm using today is a food processor, but you can also use a high-powered blender. So you're going to take your avocado, which I previously scored with a knife, and you're going to go ahead and put it into your food processor or your blender. Okay, next you're going to need your unsweetened cocoa powder. You could also use raw cacao powder if you'd like. That works too. After that, you'll add I use almond milk in this recipe. You can use a different type of non-dairy milk if you'd like. That works as well. All right, I'm adding some maple syrup. You can swap this out for honey. That is another option. Add your salt and vanilla, just a little pinch. And let's get this rolling. So you may be wondering, what's the difference between the box pudding that you find on the shelf in the grocery store and this chocolate avocado mousse? Well, the difference is that box pudding that you find on the shelf, it's loaded with sugar, it's low in fiber, it has practically 0 protein, and its nutritional benefits, pretty much nothing. So you're not doing your body any good by eating something like that. While it may taste pretty good, it's not offering you any nutrients. Whereas when you choose to make something like this, chocolate avocado mousse, you are adding nutritional benefits like you can't believe. The high nutrient levels in avocado, like vitamin C and vitamin E and lutein, which is good for your eyes, you cannot beat that. Those are just the tip of the iceberg. It's anti-inflammatory, it's high in fiber, it even contains protein. So the next time you're shopping and you're gonna compare a box of chocolate pudding to an avocado, choose the avocado and make this decadent, delicious treat. You will not be disappointed. It's luxurious, it's decadent, it's smooth, it's creamy, it's yummy. You can't beat it.